This is our project we have made in our internship program. So this is basically a smart water heater which is applicable for the engineering students which who are also group member of our group. So this project idea is given by Prabhakar Bhosle. So the basic thing is, here we have connected a LCD display. We can set the temperature what we want. So now I am setting it to 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, now temperature is set to 40 degrees Celsius, and as we can see, as the temperature of this water goes more than 40 degrees Celsius, the heater will automatically turn off. So here we can see that temperature of the water is increasing slowly. So we can see the temperature is increasing. As soon as the temperature reaches to 40 degrees Celsius, the heater will automatically turn off. So here we can see that the temperature of water is increasing. So as it reaches to 40 degree, the relay will operate and the supply will be disconnected from the heater, and will also the buzzer will be there. So here we have seen that the heater is off now, which is indicating on the LCD display, and the temperature of current water is also displayed on this display. So by this project we can avoid the accidents which can cause due to the overheating of the heater.